guys, I'm wishing you a very happy day, and in this video I'm going to explain the topic nutrition. First of all, let us know what is nutrition. Nutrition, it is the process of intake of food and use of that food and other nourishing substances by the body. It's the process that we intake the food and use of that food and other nourishing substances by our body. The nutrition can be classified into three major types. Now we can study the modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition were divided into three types. They are autotrophic nutrition, mixotrophic nutrition, and heterotrophic nutrition. First of all, let us see what is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which one organism can prepare their food on their own. It doesn't depend on the other organisms for the food purpose. The autotrophic organisms can be broadly classified into two types. They are photoautotrophic organisms and chemoautotrophic organisms. First of all, let us know what are photoautotrophic organisms. The autotrophic organisms can prepare their food by using the sunlight are called as photoautotrophic organism. By the name also we are getting photo. Photo means light, sunlight. The autotrophic organisms can prepare their own food by the presence of sunlight or with the help of sunlight, we can say. The best examples for photoautotrophic nutrition are algae and plants. We already know that algae and plants can prepare food by photosynthesis process, right? And the next one under autotrophic nutrition was chemoautotrophic nutrition. In this type of autotrophic nutrition, the autotrophic organisms can prepare their own food by using the chemicals. The best examples for chemoautotrophic organisms are sulfur oxidizing bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, and iron oxidizing bacteria. For my convenience, I have written here like oxy, fix, oxy. We can elaborate it. Okay. Sulfur oxidizing bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, sulfur oxidizing, nitrogen fixing, oxidizing, iron oxidizing bacteria, you can write. And the next type of mode of nutrition is mixotrophic nutrition. It is the mode of nutrition in which the organisms in the presence of sunlight, they can do the process of photosynthesis, and in the absence of sunlight, they act like heterotrophs. I will say what are heterotrophs. Mixotrophic nutrition, best example for mixotrophic nutrition was euglena. In this type of mixotrophic nutrition, the autotrophic nutrition and the heterotrophic nutrition we can see. And whereas in case of heterotrophic nutrition, first of all let us discuss what is heterotrophic nutrition. It is the type of nutrition in which the organisms are dependent on the other organism for their food purpose. Okay, it can be divided into three types: holozoic, saprophytic, parasitic. First of all, let us see what is holozoic nutrition, what is saprophytic, and what is parasitic type of nutrition. In case of holozoic nutrition, we can say the intake of food is in the form of solids, or liquids, or semi-solids. If the food which we are taking into our body is in the form of solids, liquids, or semi-solids, then we can consider that type of mode of nutrition as holozoic nutrition. And in case of saprophytic nutrition, the organisms which depend on the dead and decaying matter, dead and decaying organic matter, we can say. Dead and decaying organic matter are named as the saprophytes, and this mode of nutrition can be considered as the saprophytic mode of nutrition. Okay, and whereas in case of parasitic nutrition, we can define parasitic nutrition as the following: the organism which depends on the another organism, means by living on their body surface or by living inside their body. In this mode of nutrition, the organism which lives on the another organism's body is called as the parasite, and the other organism we can name as the host. Totally, in this mode of nutrition, we can say one parasite, one host will be there. The parasite was dependent on the host for the food purpose. In case of holozoic nutrition, the best examples for holozoic nutrition are as only humans, dogs. And in case of saprophytic nutrition, the best examples for saprophytic nutrition are fungi, mud, mushroom. Almost all fungi or belong to the saprophytic mode of nutrition, we can say. Whereas in case of parasitic mode of nutrition, the best examples were lice, bedbugs and mosquito. We already all know that the lice can be observed on the human's head, and bedbugs are the blood sucking insects, whereas the mosquitoes are the blood dependent organisms. Hope you like this video. Thank you.